Horizontal distance. A distance measured along a level line. Horizontal line. A straight line tangent to a level surface and always perpendicular to the palm plane. Horizontal plane. A line tangent of a level surface. Instrumental error, an error caused due imperfection of the instrument. Interpolation, a process of spacing contour line proportionally between plotted points. Latitude, a vertical component of traverse line wherein the distance is multiplied by the cosine of the bearing angles of the line. Leveling, a operation of measuring distance either directly or indirectly in order to determine. Leveling rod, a graduated wooded rod which conjunction with the use level and determining differences in elevation. Level line, a curved line in a level surface where all parts of it are equidistant from the center of the earth. Level surface, a curved line in a level surface where all parts of it are equidistant from the center of the earth. Local attraction, any influence which prevent the needle to deviate from the magnetic meridian. Magnetic declination, an angle between true meridian and the magnetic meridian. Magnetic meridian, a fixed line of references wherein it lies parallel with the magnetic lines of force of the earth as indicated by direction. Map, a graphical representation of celestial spur or earth surface. Mapping, a process of depicting or plotting a measurement into a map. Meridian, a fixed or references which may be a line in the survey or may be an imaginary. Natural error, an error caused by variation in the existing condition of nature where measurement was taken. Offset method, an operation usually done the 2 points are intervisible where the distance cannot be determined and tuning is impossible to taken place. Open traverse, a survey which traverse line do not close figured. Pacing, a rough method of measuring distance usually by calculating the number of steps by the average length of the single step. Pantograph, an instrument with four light lengths joined together on a parallelogram form used by copying map. A parallel altitude, a small circle of celestial spur, the plane which is parallel to that of the horizon. Parallel of declination, a small circle of celestial spur, the plane which is parallel to that of the equator. Personal error, an error made by limitation of human to manipulate the instrument correctly. And plane surveying, a type of surveying in which the main surface of the earth is considered as a plane or its cyprioidal slope is neglected. Plane table, a drawing board mounted on tripod used for plotting the maps. Planimeter, a device used in finding the areas of figure plotted to scale, especially the irregular or curved boundaries. Palm bulb, a pointed metal weight suspended from a string. Palm blind, a line directed toward the center of the earth due to gravitational force. And preliminary survey, the survey of selected corridor and sufficient details.